Hi friends, welcome to the channel. Find the range of the following set of scores 25, 15, 23, 40, 27, 25, 23 and 42. They give the some set of scores. We have to find the range. They ask to find the range. So what is the range means? You have to find the range is equal to highest value minus lowest value. That is you have to subtract the lowest value from the highest value. Highest value minus lowest value in the given set, which is the highest score. 42. So this is the highest score 42 minus lowest score, which is the lowest score here 15. So you have to subtract 15 from 42. What will be the answer? 27. So the range of the set of score is 27. Second sum, if mode of a grouped data is 10 and mean is 4, then median will be. They ask us to find the median. So there was a formula. Mode is equal to 3 into median subtracted by 2 into mean. Okay, they given the mode and the mean. We have to find the median. So what is the mode in the what is the mode value in the given data? 10. 10 is equal to 3 multiplied by median. We don't know the median, so we have just to keep as a median. Minus 2 into mean. Here we have the value 4. 4. Then 10 is equal to 3 into mean. We just keep this short form median. 2 4s are 8. Then shift the 8 to the another side. So here it is in subtraction sign. If you shift the left hand side, it will be the sign will be changed. So 10 plus 8 is equal to 3 into median. So 10 plus 8, 18. 18 equal to 3 into median. I just keep the median and give the median to left hand side, transfer the median 3 into another side. So here it is in the multiplication. If it goes to the other side, it will be the divide. So 18 divided by 3. 1 3s are 3, 6 3s are 18. So the value is median equal to 6. Third sum, the median and mean values of the marks obtained by a students of a class are 46.67. This is the marks of the median. So first they given the median, then 45.5. This is the mean. This is the mean value and this is the median value. They ask us to find the mode value. So in last sum we have the formula. Mode is equal to 3 multiplied by median minus 2 into mean. So here they given the median and mean value. We have to find the mode. So equal to 3 multiplied by median. What is the median value? 46.67 minus 2 into mean value 45.5. 45.5. Just multiply 3 sevens are 21. 21, sorry, 1, 2 carry on. 6 threes are 18. 18 plus 2, 20. 0, 2 carry on. 6 threes are 18. Again to 20. So 0.2 carry on. 4 threes are 12. 12 plus 2, 14. Subtracted by, multiply by 2. 2 5s are 10. 0, 1 carry on. 2 5s are 10 again. 10 plus 1, 11. 1 carry on. 2 4s are 8. 8 plus 1, 9. So 91.0. So just after the point, if you have the 0, it is non-value. So you have to subtract 140 from 91. 1 subtract 1 from 0. So you can't. So get borrow 10. 10 minus 1, 9. So here will be the 13 minus 9, 4. So 49.01. This is the mode value.